Hi lovelies, welcome back to Taste with Tonya. Today's video is all about beginners baking tools and equipment. So first off, you need your baking bowls to mix your dry and wet ingredients. Next is the sieve. This is needed to sieve out all lumps in your dry ingredients. Next, weighing scales. This is used for measuring all your baking ingredients. You need a measuring jar for measuring liquid ingredients. So the measures are just beside it for accurate measurement. Next is your silicone spatula. So this is used to give a clean scrape down of batter in your bowls and also to mix batter in your bowls. You need the balloon whisk. This is used to mix both wet and dry ingredients as well. Next, you need your muffin tray for baking your muffins or cupcakes. They come in different sizes, but this is a size of 12. You need your cupcake liners. This is where the cupcake sits on before they go on the muffin trays. So you put your cupcake liners directly on the muffin trays before you then pour in your batter, and then it goes into the oven. Here we have measuring cups and spoons. These are used in measuring your wet and dry ingredients based off of your recipes. So there is no baking without a baking pan. We need the baking pan to give us the exact shape of cake that we desire. So they come in different sizes and different shapes. The common ones are 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches. So for frosting, we need the piping bag. This is where we put the icing and then pipe out whatever shape or desired design that we want. Piping nozzles. These are used alongside the piping bags to create decorative designs on cakes and cupcakes. The offset spatula is used to both apply and smoothen out your frosting on your cakes. The serrated knife is used for both cutting and trimming the edges of your cake. They also come in different sizes and length. Next is your side scrapers. This is actually used to give your cake a perfect finish. We have both the smooth one and also the ones with different designs on it. You use any one according to your preference. You also need your turntable. So the turntable is where you get to work on your cake. So that's where you get to do your stacking, your frosting, your decorations on your cake. So to avoid your cake slipping off of the turntable, you need the silicone mat to give it that stability whilst you're working on your cake. The parchment paper is used to line your baking pans before you pour in your batter. The hand mixer is used for mixing small batches of batter. For the stand mixer, this is used for large batches of batter. I have the wire whisk and also the flat beater. This is the one I use the most, and also the dough hook. So that's the three attachments used on the stand mixer. So these are most of all the equipment and tools that are needed for a beginner baker. I know there are a couple of other things I might have missed out whilst listing those items. So if there is anyone you see or you remember, just put in the comment section. And I also look forward to any comments or any suggestion or any other video that you would want me to do as a beginner baker. So I'll be willing to take it up and also do it. Kindly also like, share and subscribe to our channels to encourage us to do more. On that note, that'll be it for today. Thank you everyone, and see you on the next one.